Alright, welcome back to the Skid Factory. Today's a very special and exciting day. I'm picking up a new car from my high vis on. I've come down with my mate Mitch from A Black Towing on the sunny coast. And this car, I've been waiting on for about 4 months now. It took a long time. I bought this thing. It wasn't really sight unseen. I did see the car once before in my life back in 2019. I've purchased it from a mate of mine. And I'm shaking. I'm so excited. This is just so skits. Mitchie, what do you reckon, mate?
I reckon it looks mint.
Looks pretty, man.
Looks awesome.
You like it?
I reckon it's sick.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, my 1962 Ford Fairlane. Compact 2-door, left hook, bench seat. Exactly what I was after in a car. This thing is, I'm so excited. I'm absolutely stoked this thing's here. It came from Arizona, went over to California to Brizzy, and now it's here. And I've been patiently waiting the call from my mate Leighton to get this thing picked up, and it's finally here. I'm so stoked. Oh, yes! So stoked. Definitely needs a detail, which is a bit dusty. Are you good to go? Yeah? It steers, yeah. One second. Oh. Let me just throw this. Oh, it stinks in here. Whew.
Stinks?
Yeah. So stoked, so stoked. Can't wait to be cutting hot laps in this thing. Do you want me to jump in and steer it back?
Probably will.
Yeah.
I'll get it back first and then you can walk
Yeah,
up.
sweet. Yeah. I'll just try a wheel chuck under. Done.
Perfect.
That all ZD30 intercooler is useful for, eh?
Yeah. Mate, they usually have holes in them by now.
Hell yeah.
What do you think, bro?
This is the only good decision you've ever made in your life.
What?
Car-wise only.
That's a bit brutal.
This is the best decision you've ever made in your life.
It's cool,
How about
huh?
that?
Is it how you remember it, sitting at Pete's house?
Couldn't really tell because it was in the garage,
Yeah.
surrounded with AU parts at the time.
There was like cats on top of the roof too,
cats
wasn't
on it
there?
and pugs and stuff. Is that my petrol intercooler chocking up your wheel?
Yeah.
Bro,
I couldn't find anything else to use.
what about the bottom of the LQ9 sump that we use?
That was holding up the HJ.
Oh. Let's get inside and have a look.
Alright. Are you ever going to finish this thing?
Yeah, it'll have to be finished before you can start yours, bro. Yeah, dog. Back the other way, bro.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
38 turns lock to lock. Straighten, 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 straighten. You're not straight, straighten. I can't do it from here because it's got the steering wheel on the wrong side. It'll do.
Some people may argue that that's the right side, Owen.
It's not the right side, it's the left side. So argument debunked.
Should we go up, or do you want to empty the boot first of all the spares?
Yeah, I don't think you'll get at the boot. It's too long.
Do you want to open it up and... I suppose it's going to stay in the boot anyway.
Until you finish the HJ.
Go up. I'm not working on that HJ. That is your problem, not mine.
Lucky it's a HX, huh? What are you expecting under here?
I'm expecting zero rust because it's from the desert. Broken shocks because they were being disconnected and it was bouncing up and down from overseas. And
Oh yeah,
maybe a rattlesnake? I don't know.
that'd be cool. What are we looking at here, Woody?
Well, let me tell you, when it comes to old cars, I've got no idea what I'm talking about. You might be better at explaining some stuff, Alan.
A Crusader's an old car to you.
Yeah. Obviously, first time seeing the car on the hoist, so just sussing some stuff out. Good points for it is that it was from Arizona, so it was a desert car. It has got minimal rust for a 1962 model. There is some rust spots here and there, but that's just what we've got to sort out. This car was a factory manual column shift.
Six banger by the look of it.
This was cut out for something, I'm not too sure.
Floor shift.
Yeah. Who knows what was changed and what was swapped. I think it was white originally, Pete said, and it's been painted blue. And there is some spots that have been repaired for rust, a couple of floor spots.
Repairs and...
Another good thing it's got going for it is that it has got a Mustang 8.8 diff. So this has got forged 27 spline axles, I think it is.
28, bro.
28?
Got 27s, but he keeps them clean. It's 28 spline with a posi.
With a Ford posi. There is a boot full of spares.
So that's a like Fox to late 90s Mustang diff, 8.8 inch, obviously, and also Explorer.
Yep.
Very strong. They we used one in our Fox body with the Barra.
Yep.
That does low eights.
Yep.
No dramas. You just got to put the right gear in them. It's got a lot of gear on it already, but look, it's got a back plate, like a bearing support, all that sort of stuff. So
there is a heap of spares in the boot. I haven't even really given the story about where this came from with Pete and stuff, hey?
tell me all about it, bro.
Well, we'll go back down and push it forward, open the boot. So I bought the car from my mate Pete from Hughes Performance. He lives in Arizona. We saw the car in 2018. We went to Drag Week. We went and visited Pete, and...
It was 2019.
Was it 2019?
Yeah, we went to Canada in 18.
What year is it? This year? I don't even know.
20 Dickety 1.
So when Pete posted it up for sale, I said, hey, I'll take that. So, and we'll bring it down and then have a squiz, eh? Go through the story.
All right.
Have you seen those spaces on the front?
I did spot them, and it's probably not surprising since they're
Sevens. We're gonna
decent.
We're gonna push this back outside, or is it gonna stay?
Oh, it can come inside after you finish the HX.
No. There's like 5 keys, isn't it? 6 keys. 5 keys.
I don't even think it's got that many locks, does it?
I don't know why there's so many. Maybe Pete gave us his house keys. So the story goes, Pete, our mate Pete from Hughes Performance.
He's a legend.
He's a legend.
Shout out to Pete.
He had an AU single cam motor built for this thing in the States.
Quite the rarity, I would imagine.
Yeah. Well, I couldn't not name one over there apart from Pete's one. He was planning to build this as like a strip car with a heap of good parts. decided it was a bit too much work for him. He wanted to get into the LS world, so he sold this, and I purchased it off him. It wasn't sight unseen, because I did see the car once, but pretty much sight unseen, organised transport, and got it shipped over here. Took a while, took about 4 months to get here. And the one thing I was worried about was all the parts in the boot were going to be missing, so...
It's all right. They didn't find the right key out of the 5.
Yeah, yeah. But it's got a heap of stuff in here. Like I've got, what is this here? Is that oil? Hey!
bonus bottle of Cab Sav.
Nice, mate. We'll save that one for later.
We'll crack that over the bonnet once it's
A
finished.
nice bottle of red. So yeah, stuff like full spool centre. There is
For the 37 spline.
37 spline. What? 35 spline. Shut up. Calvert shocks, adjustable shocks. There's all stuff. Pete had like, what's Vibrant? What brand is that?
It's like
Is it like,
fabrication parts and stuff.
look at that bend.
Nice. Oh, geez. I've not seen one of them before.
Anyway, there's like heaps of stuff. There, master cylinder.
We went to the Bear factory.
Yeah, we did go there.
That's pretty cool.
How do I even open this box? There we go. A billet! What else is in here? What have we got, Alan? What have we got?
Remember last time we opened the boot of one of your cars and it was full of rats?
Yeah, it was
Well, a rat. This is much better.
There's a
got
converter here,
Full
no?
of parts. It's a brake kit, isn't it?
Oh, sick. Back when it was... Must have been,
It was-
Oh, this might be Pete's documents. Oh, no.
that looks AU-ish, doesn't it? Oh, no, it's a
No,
V8.
that's a V8. Ah,
Now you know.
now I know where the rust has been repaired. This is cool. Windsor, no?
Boomer spec. I don't know.
I don't know either. Look at that. That looks nice, huh?
It's nice.
That's cool. That's one for the
You
man
can
cave.
Drink your bottle of wine and check out your...
And go through it. See, stuff like this. I told you I've got like past bends.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that and sell it to you later.
Yeah, you will. That's the stuff that you do.
Yeah.
Anyway, heaps of parts, and the car is... This is kind of like the build. This is a plan. So I've already got an engine for it. For those who have been watching since the beginning would know what it is. If not, let us know in the comments section
Mint SR20.
what you think I should put in this or what you think I am putting in this. I've already got a plan, but if you've got some suggestions, let us know. Always happy to hear some ideas.
SR20 VE
What about one of those?
with ITBs.
VE's like the late model ones, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like the holy grail, isn't it?
If you like SR20s.
No, then you got to stroke it, so it's an SR22.
SR22 VE.
What about an RB22?
At least that'd fit easy.
What about an RB22? Stroke 20.
Is this like the battle of the geldings? You know what a gelding is?
Yes.
What?
Here's my
You don't know what a
40
gelding
spline
is.
axles. What else we got in here?
Oh, I'm going to change the subject right quick.
Look. I'm gonna leave that in there.
Can we lay all that stuff out on the floor and see which stuff I can use?
Do you want to get it out? You can use all those bends and stuff.
I want the axles and stuff.
Well, what are you going to use it for? You don't have an 8.8.
My old car.
Yeah. Are you going to go 8.8, are you?
No. I'm going to sell them and buy something for a 9-inch.
Lots of work to do on this car. This is going to be a major project. And
Fortunately, it is ultra cool.
look at this boot area. Look at this.
It fits so many things
Damn it.
in there.
that tail end is so good.
How many
looking.
times do you reckon that's been used to transport things out into the desert for burial?
What, dead bodies?
I didn't say that.
What were you?
Where your mind at?
What were you hinting at? Then?
Oh, it's cactuses or something.
I reckon you could fit, like, almost lay down in the centre of that sideways.
They measure boot space in cactus space in Arizona. You could fit 12 cacti in there.
We're going to end it there. Huge thanks to Pete for selling me the car in the first place. I know he's keen to see the build, and one day, Pete, we'll fly over here. You can drive the thing around. It can be your loan car while you're touring Australia. Thanks to Leighton for getting the car over here for me too. Let us know in the comment section what engine you'd put in this thing if it were your car. There's plenty of options these days what we can do. I already know what I am going to do. I've already got an engine sitting there and I'm not going to change that because I've already spent money on it. But yeah, let us know. Make sure you hit like if you like the car. And stay tuned for next week when we're back onto the patrol because we got some more parts delivered. So
I know you would have spent heaps of money on that engine you're going to put in it because you bought it the week before Race Wars.
Race Wars.
And they always fetch you premium.
I bought that like 3 years ago now, was it?
Yeah.
Would it be 3 years, eh?
Yep.
I've still got that car that I was going to put that in too. I'm also selling my MR2. If you want to buy the MR2, send me a DM.
Slide into his DMs.
Slide in there. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the Fairlane build. Stay tuned next week for the Patrol build.
Finish him.
We've got lots of stuff going on here. I've also bought another car, which I'll reveal too. And then we'll push the Challenger off a cliff one day too.
Sweet.
Thanks, homies. See you soon.
Maybe we can sell that Patrol intercooler as a Land Cruiser handbrake.
That rain is loud, eh?
It's peaceful.
Just don't worry about it. Should I be wearing my mic on my head, up here? On my ear?
You don't have Hoffman / Alan voice.
Hurts.
Well, you smart.